It's almost going to feel like the calm before the storm the next 2 days over South Africa. Not much going on with some foggy patches at first on Friday in the eastern regions, and throughout Friday, a fresh wind expected to pick up along the coast of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, as well as here along the west coast and blowing strong over the southern coast of our neighboring country, Namibia. Mainly dry over the southern and western regions. Very early a few drops of drizzle possible between Plettenberg Bay and Nelson Mandela Bay, but then later a few isolated showers and thunderstorms expected to spread into KwaZulu-Natal, as well as along the Escarpment, and a few isolated storms likely from late afternoon in Mpumalanga. We will still have some cloud hanging around over the coastal regions. You'll have an average PV harvest on your solar panels, but it's sunny and peak performance over the rest of South Africa. In the Northern Cape, you'll feel that chilly onshore southerly breeze with only 21 in Cape Town and 19 for Hermanus, mid-20s for the rest of the Western Cape. Also a little bit chilly at times along the southern coastline with some cloud. The morning only 19 in Plettenberg Bay. As mentioned, there's a slight chance of a few drops of drizzle falling early the morning over Nelson Mandela Bay. Most of the day we're expecting this southwesterly wind to pick up and blow fresh between Port Alfred and Port St. John's, later becoming partly cloudy with a few isolated showers and thunderstorms likely to bubble up near Kua as well as Matatiel, and then that onshore southwesterly wind bringing in cloud later for KwaZulu-Natal with a few isolated showers and also a few patchy thunderstorms likely to bubble up here and there. Later, those isolated thunderstorms spreading over the escarpment of Mpumalanga after a hot day with maximum temperatures around 30 degrees in Ermelo as well as Mbombela. Sunny, dry and hot on Friday in Limpopo with maximum temperatures soaring above 30 degrees. Also in Northwest, the temperature will quickly soar above 30 degrees, and the Weather Service also warning against runaway fires over the western regions. An onshore southerly breeze blowing fresh on Friday along the coast of the Northern Cape with partly cloudy skies in Alexander Bay. It's dry and hot over the rest of the province with a high fire danger in place for large parts of the Northern Cape as well as the Free State, where it's going to be a dry day with 31 in Forest Smith and Bloemfontein, 21.5 degrees for Harry Smith. Sunny skies and quickly heating up in Gauteng on Friday. It will be dry with 30 in Johannesburg and peaking at 32 degrees in Pretoria. Here's your weekend weather forecast on Saturday. Partly cloudy skies across South Africa and becoming hot over the interior with a few isolated showers and thunderstorms likely in Mpumalanga. Otherwise, dry conditions with windy weather along the west as well as the southern coastline, and 24 in the mother city. This is ahead of the next cut-of-low weather system expected to move over the southwestern regions of South Africa on Sunday. A steep drop in temperature with scattered to widespread showers expected. Most of the rain falling over the mountain regions as well as the Winelands and the Boerlands. And then later, we're expecting a few isolated thunderstorms also to develop over northeastern South Africa. But the biggest danger associated with this cut-of-low is the extremely windy conditions we are expecting on Sunday across South Africa, with wind gusts of more than 80 kilometers per hour along the coast as well as over the interior, including northwest Gauteng and the Free State, which could lead to damages. So please be vigilant. That's all from me. Have a lovely day.